Hi, this is just a quick video on how to produce an article to go on the front page of the new Commonwealth financial site. So every employee is going to have their own username and password where they can manage content for their own blog as well as the front page of the site. So all you'll do is go to login and log in with your username. I'm going to use Dan's kind of demo account here and click login. And all that's really going to change when you log in is you're going to end up with this extra little button that says user menu. And when you're looking at this, you might see a whole bunch of other things underneath here, but right now it just says new blog post. So what you do is you click new blog post, and then it's going to bring you to this article submission page. So the purpose here is just to write a typical article. You want your title, and yeah, here we go. Call it "It's a Scary Day." Hey. And we can have a subtitle of, so this is just a title and subtitle. Typically, you could have, mortgage rates in Canada are decreasing. And then the text is just your standard text. This is a basic word processor, so just treat it like you would Microsoft Word. And you just, and even more. So then down here, this is where you can insert images into the article. So a teaser image is essentially a thumbnail, and you just click search, and it'll pop up navigation on your computer. You just choose a file, and it'll upload it as a thumbnail. And then image is the main image that you want to associate with the article. And again, hit the search button. So the video, all you do if you want to have a video inside of the article, all you do is paste the YouTube URL. So it's really simple, just like paste the address of the YouTube video and it'll automatically get embedded. So down here it says author, and you'll want to click add item. And it may not seem to make any sense that you'll want to choose the author even though you're already logged in, but the purpose of having this is in case one person manages multiple blogs. And this is just good in case, let's say someone doesn't want to write a blog, but the company wants to have everyone have an active blog, if that makes sense. And it also is good if you want to have multiple people being credited as the author for a single article. So social bookmarks, you'll see what this does. Related articles, this is good if you have related articles. Let's say you're writing an article about mortgage rates rising in Canada. Well, maybe you've written something similar in the past. You can add the item and just associate your previous article with your new one. And then where it says external related articles, this is great if, let's say, you're writing about mortgage rates increasing in Canada. Well, maybe you want to have a link to the Bank of Canada post, like a notification on their website that says, hey, mortgage rates are going up tomorrow, or something along those lines. Where it says published, you're going to want to click yes. And where it says front page, this is where you choose if you'd like to show up on the front page or just on your own personal blog. Right now I'm just covering the front page. I'll get into the personal blog stuff in another video. So we'll click yes. And where it says comments, you can have yes or no. And this is just if people are able to comment on the post that you make. So where it says categories, this is where you can assign it to each person's blog or to their profile, if you will. The front page blog, I'm just calling it blog, so just click blog. And where it says start publishing and finish publishing, this is good if you want to plan out the content. Let's say you want to sit down one day and write 15 articles and have them come out every week for the next 15 weeks. Well, all you do is click start publishing, you click the calendar, choose the date, and that'll let you go from there. And then finish publishing, let's say you want to remove the content after a week. Well, you click the button, you choose the date. Okay, I want to remove it, November 16th. And then it'll get removed at that time. So where it says access level, you just always want to choose public. And then tags are great. Tags down here are a great way of associating multiple articles together that you might not even know exist. So let's say this article is about mortgages. Well, you'll tag it as mortgage, and it'll find all other similar tags from everyone else's blog that has the word mortgage in it. And it'll automatically create links to those other articles. So when that's done, just click submit item, and it'll take a second. It'll say thank you for your submission, and you'll actually see it on the front page of the site. So there you go. So now you have, ooh, it's a scary day, and it shows up as the first post on the front of the site. The content right here looks really rough right now, but that's just because we haven't got into styling and adding images, which is actually really easy. Just that's lesson 2. Thanks. Have a great one. Bye-bye.